everyone, Frank and Sara here, Cheers Travels, and it is
Saturday, December 29th, and we are in Ensenada, Mexico.
Yeah, we decided to spend our New Year's here in Ensenada. We have a group of friends, there's 7 of us total, and we are going to have a great time. We have a whole thing planned. We're going to do wine tasting while we're here. We're at a brewery right now. We're going to have some beer because we got here before our Airbnb is ready. So we just have a relaxing, fun Mexico trip planned. So we're pretty excited about it. I'm pretty excited about it. So our friends out here, they own a tour company, so they put together a package for us. So it's pretty awesome. So at our Airbnb when we tonight, they're actually going to prepare a 6-course dinner for us, and then in the morning they're going to make breakfast for us, and then a driver's going to pick us up and take us to wine country, and all the wine's already included and taken care of. So we had nothing to do except to show up and relax and eat and drink. So it's pretty great.
Yeah. So we're going to have a great time this weekend, ringing the new year with our friends. It's going to be, we don't have anything planned specifically for New Year's Eve, but I don't know, we'll figure it out for sure. Yeah. But for now, we're going to have some beer at Valle.
To the
brewery right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we've actually been here once before when Arturo brought us, or our friend Arturo brought us here. This is our second time here, and they've actually made some changes. It's actually pretty cool.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we'll show you guys around inside. It's really cool. So we just got to our Airbnb in Ensenada. We just took the tour. It's amazing. We have to show you guys.
Yeah. It seems like a Cribs video.
Kind of, yeah. But it's a really nice house. So yeah, we're gonna show you around. So the next thing you're in Ensenada, you can stay here too.
Oh, we have a place to park our cars. Secure parking. Welcome. Come on in. We got our beautiful Christmas tree.
This is little thing that it's not even hard to make, but it's just great.
We have our big table.
Oh, that's the home tour.
We have this guy.
I am a guy. Yes.
He came with the place though.
He was the bonus. He was the bonus.
I am part of the Christmas tree decoration. Okay.
We're currently stocking our fridge in our kitchen here.
Is this like an episode of MTV Cribs?
That's what I said.
Where's the light for this?
And over here, you can see down, it's like another chill area.
I love this house.
To hang out. There's a bathroom down there.
I want one.
And this is the cold bedroom.
It's nice.
And this is where the magic happens.
And this is the forbidden room that we cannot go into. I'm not really sure what's in there.
This is the un baño.
Baño?
And here's the master bedroom. This is where Sarah and I are staying. Bedroom, it's all ours. And it keeps going. And here's our giant closet with pictures of people we don't know. Here's some queso ruffles.
Thank you, Micah.
And the wrong bathroom.
And we have an upstairs too.
This is when the magic happens, right?
I bet. How much room? I mean, if it takes this much stairs to get to it, God, it's magical.
Yeah.
And
Ta-da! This looks sketch. Wait,
I think we should have our
this opens to nothing.
No, there's a balcony. Guys, look at that.
Oh my god.
There's definitely a balcony.
Get the fuck out of there.
It's a balcony when...
this is a balcony that you would not have in
It's not
America.
Approved, but
That if you want to jump, you can. And that's very easy to die if you want to.
Easy access to the front door.
To death.
It's the access to death.
Yes. Wow. Oh, look at this giant TV.
Yeah, it's okay. And then own bathroom.
Oh, yeah.
And wait, the best part, they have a picture of boobs.
What is this?
This is
Ta-da!
Yes. For people, they did not want to hear it. Come on.
Good morning.
Alright, go ahead.
So it's New Year's Eve. Is it right?
Yeah, we just have 2 more days.
Yeah, so today's gonna be fun. We're doing a wine tour today. And we have a van waiting for us. We're having breakfast being prepared. So
Oh, we gotta talk about last night.
last night we had a bunch of food, just plates and plates of food kept coming. Everything was delicious. We went through a lot of tequila, so it was good.
It's fun.
So this time, today's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be interesting to see how the state of everyone at the end of this day.
Probably just like last night, drunk.
Yeah.
Let's see, what's the weather like? It's about 60 degrees. Nice and sunny. Beautiful day. It's a great day to go wine tasting.
Yep. So we're just walking down the street in the neighborhood we're staying in. We're gonna go to the OXXO, little convenience store down the street. Get a couple things off the road.
I'm wearing my new bubble vest. My bubble vest.
I don't have a bubble vest.
Yeah, you're not the bubble crew here.
I know I need to work on that. Everyone, it's a chilly, wet day, but it's New Year's Day, New Year's Eve, 2018, gonna be 2019. We are in Ensenada, and we took our first stop is to get some ceviche, and we're just gonna hang out downtown for a little bit during the day. Some of our friends haven't been here, and then we're gonna drink some tequila. This is a tequila tasting place. They're not open yet. We're gonna hang out, and it's gonna be a good day. This trip so far has been pretty awesome.
A lot of drinking, lots of tequila.
A lot of wine.
Yes, and a lot of wine, yes. Yeah, the wine tasting tour was pretty cool yesterday.
Yeah.
We went to 3 different wineries, drank lots of wine.
Had some awesome food.
And had some, awesome food. The octopus, aqua chile, all kinds of good stuff. So, yeah, this is our first stop for the day.
Yeah, I got some ceviche.
What's the name of this place?
La Guerrerense. A lot of R's.
Always come here when you come to Ensenada for some ceviche.
Yeah. It's packed. It's always packed. That means it's good. We got some gorditas. This cake place, it smelled like so good coming by here. So they have these gorditas and they fill them with stuff. So I have Nutella and like cream cheese. You also get caramel and sweetened condensed milk and strawberry. But just walking by here, you can't smell it, but it smells fantastic.
Let me guess, you got Nutella.